Hi, I'm Phillip Warren, and I spend a lot of time on the telephone answering legal questions. There's one call that really captures what I like best about practicing law in the town that I grew up. It was a busy morning, and the phone rang just about the second that I hung up the prior call. It was a man on the telephone telling me about his insurance company, giving him the runaround. He went on to tell me that I used to be his neighbor growing up and that I used to cut his grass. I knew who he was immediately. Like most people in my neighborhood, he worked hard, long hours, and he let me cut his grass to make some extra spending money. And he didn't have a lot of money, but he appreciated people that worked hard and did what they said they would. I did then, and I do now. I grew up right here in Pensacola, and it means a lot when the people I grew up with call me for help. My neighborhood was not one of lawyers or doctors. It was everyday folks working hard to make ends meet. Growing up with people like that, you never forget what it's like to be vulnerable. You know what it's like to be confused about your legal rights and skeptical about calling a lawyer for help. It is rewarding to help your neighbors when they place their trust in you. I understand the kind of trust that people place in me every day. And as a lawyer, I feel I can do the most good in the community right here where I grew up. And that's why I practice right here in Pensacola.